Today I'm going to be opening this Beldray Turbo Swivel vacuum cleaner, and we bought this to replace our old Vax Air 3 which has started to fall apart. This Vax Air 3 actually has a 6-year warranty, but unfortunately I didn't register for that, and I think you only have 3 months after purchasing to do that, which I didn't do, and it did actually go wrong before 6 years, so I could have taken advantage of that, but unfortunately didn't register in time. So I won't be making that mistake with this one, which only has a 3-year guarantee, which is half of what the Vax has. This vacuum cleaner is 700 watts. I couldn't find that written down on the box anywhere, so I had to look that up. So the Vax has 1200 watts, which is almost twice what the Beldray has. So I'm wondering whether that means it's going to be as good or not. Maybe they've become more efficient. We'll find out soon enough. Congratulations on your purchase. The Beldray brand stands for reliability, trust and customer loyalty. Our fantastic range of products includes everything that you need to keep your home clean and tidy. Visit our full range of household essentials at www.beldray.com. Beldray. Very good. Spares for replacement. Interesting. There's the manual. Interesting. Probably have to screw it in. So this bit is detached at the moment. Turbo swivel, swivel head, lightweight turbo brush, easy empty, flexi hose, 3-in-1 crevice tool. And yes, it says 400 watts on here, so maybe I was looking at the wrong product online. So that's about well, that's a third of what the Vax is. So we'll see if it's as good. Not that the Vax was particularly great, because the filter kept getting clogged up all the time. Yeah, so it looks very nice, but will it perform well? We'll see. So this comes off like that. You just push that down, and there's a piece of plastic stuck in here. It's better. I'm just looking at the instructions now. The first thing to do is to insert the handle into the vacuum cleaner and secure it into position using the screw. This will require a crosshead screwdriver, which is not included, so it's lucky that I do have one. So the first thing I'm going to do is just click this into place so that I can stand the vacuum cleaner up properly. There you go. So I'm just going to put that down here. Then I'm going to get the handle. So you have to put it on like this. Oh, take that off. Yeah, so it's easier to take this off first when putting the handle in, apparently. So now I've put that on, I just need to put the screw in the back. So it's not actually on properly because you can see there's a gap here. So let's try pushing it down a bit. That's done it. So now I can get the screw in, hopefully. There you go. So the next thing to do is to put in this flexible extension hose. So the first thing to do is put it into the air inlet and twist it 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. That's it. So now let's put that over here. And I think it has to go into this. Okay, so now we put this back on. Take this plug cover off and undo the cable. So the cable length is 6 meters and the hose length is 2 meters, so that means you can get maximum of 8 meters from the socket to where you want to clean, which is not bad. So now that I've plugged that in, the way to turn it on is with that red button down there, which is convenient because you can just press it with your foot, but I'm just going to turn it on and just show you how loud it is. So that's not too bad, but I have realised that you are supposed to put this in here as well. So that's now in there. So I'm just going to try turning it on again and see whether this brush bar spins around or not. I don't know what makes that work yet. Yeah, so that looks like it's just driven by, I don't know, maybe the air, possibly. Who knows? Anyway, it comes on when you attach the pipe in the correct place. Right, so I've just been reading the manual and it looks like this is actually a replacement drive belt. So they obviously don't have much confidence in the drive belts if they've given you a replacement. I don't remember getting that with the Vax, so that's interesting. And with this crevice tool, It doesn't look as though there's anywhere to actually store it on the vacuum cleaner itself, which with the vacs you could do that. So we're going to have to find somewhere else to put this. Just trying to find out how to get it apart. There you go. So this is obviously for hard to reach areas. Right, so I'm just going to unplug it and put the cable onto here, and then I'm going to give it a go on a carpet upstairs. Yeah, so that's that. Let's go upstairs. So I'm just going to test it on this floor, which has got quite a few bits of dust and other things, so we'll see how well the vacuum cleaner does. So as you can see, it's done a pretty good job there. Can't see anything really left on the carpet. So yeah, pretty good. And there is the evidence. So yes, I paid £69.99 for this at Tesco. The Amazon price is the same, but you can pay a lot more. So yes, I would recommend this if you're on a bit of a budget. You can pay a lot more for vacuum cleaners, like for Dysons and things, which probably do a lot better job than this, but yes, it's pretty manoeuvrable. As you saw, it can go under beds. It's quite lightweight, so it's not obviously too heavy to carry around. So yes, I would recommend it. But it remains to be seen how reliable it's going to be in the long term, especially as they've only offered a 3-year guarantee, which is half of what we had on our previous vacuum cleaner. And I must remember to sign up for that. Seems to generate quite a lot of static electricity, this.